Nice to see you again.
Now you're burning me too close.
Back in the dealer's room here at Magi Fest 2019. We're gonna go take a look at the dealer room for all of us magicians. Right, Jason?
That's right.
All right, let's take a look. Okay, now you can't come in here without a badge. Oops. As you can see, Jason, can you screw down here? He's got a badge, I don't. Shh, don't tell anybody. Let's take a walk over here. As you can see here, we got Harry here, who's here every year. He's going to perform a trick. So Jason, let's scoop up on him. Oh, look how beautiful that case is. Look at that case. That looks very familiar.
All your cards, everything is
Do you have that case?
I have something like that. It's very
now it
nice.
looks better.
Yeah.
Better that I'm standing next
Now it
to
looks
it.
professional. The price just went up $500 because he's standing next to you.
We'll sign it later, and we'll go probably another 1,000. All right, let's go. All right, so here we got some more stuff with the googly eyes. You see that picture of Joshua J. All right, so let's take a little walk through this maze. As you can see, this year they opened it up a little bit, so now you got like about 15 feet distance here. And you kind of see everything. So this is one of your favorite areas, Jason. The rings, things, right? You like to bring the things, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Now it's kind of loud in here, so I'm going to speak up the best I can in here. And we're going to try not to run into a lot of people here in this area, right here. In this area. See, I just ran into somebody. Now I do like this hat right here. So actually we're going to do a demo right now. It's probably going to go up after I put it on, so I might sign it later. But we'll just see. It is a leather hat. Jason, look at that. In front of it. All right, come up. Howdy, partner. Right here, yeah, I like this right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I could be wearing this around on my shows. Next time you see me, let's try it out here.
All right.
Here, look, you want to see a card trick? Want to see a card trick? Let me show you what time it is, all right? So anyway, here we go. Very nice hat. Fortunately, my head ain't big enough. My head is not as big as I thought it was. All right, so here it is.
It's pretty big.
What? Come on this way. We gotta make room here. Jason, do we need a tripod or anything?
For what?
Just for filming, do we need a tripod or
Sure.
anything?
Yeah.
Okay. We want all black. We want all black. Now we're coming into the busy section of Vanishing Ink Park. So let's come over right here. Yeah, that's fine. Here's one of the plaques I bought earlier during the week. It says Magi. Actually, Magic. You can hang it on your wall. It's pretty nice. On your office floor, wall, wherever you got. We'll put this back down here just like that. Cool. Oh, let's do a shot. Here's Eric. Hey. Can you say hi? Cool. Thank you. All right, so we're back over here at Magi Fest. The Vanishing part of it. Balance is the newest trick by Joshua J. It's selling like hotcakes here. $200. It's yours. They're coming already packed in a box, ready to roll. Oh, actually, we got one buyer. We got a buyer right now. We're good right there. What'd you just buy? What'd you just buy?
Balance.
And how do you like it?
It's awesome. It's awesome. It's a little pricey, but I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it.
I think it is too. All right, there you go. Another happy customer right there.
Now you're burning me too close.
Here, Jason. I'm trying to make my way through the crowd here.
And then if you want the extra ending, it's $8 for the small one, or $8 for the
An extra $8 for the happy ending. Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Well, we'll just stick with the normal version.
What's this fishing pole?
Oh yeah, he's fishing for
What's he fishing?
fishing for fish. He's fishing for fish, Jason.
But what's in it?
A fish. Actually, he just jumped back in the water. He jumped back in the water, so we won't be able to see it right now. Eavesdrop over here real fast, trying to see what they're selling, what they got, see if we need it or not for our repertoire.
No? That's approach.
We have some nice decor right here. A nice little per se. Jason, you look good in this. You put your cards in here. Or you can wear it. This is the actual new chain that they're walking around. What's up? What's up? What's up?
That ring is on the edge, so if you want to,
What do we got? What do we got going on? What do you guys buy? Okay, we got the magic rainbow. The magic rainbow right here. What have you bought? You got anything?
Same
good?
thing.
Same thing?
Yeah, same thing.
All right,
That's
good.
the thing to get,
Say
man.
hi to my friends here in Cincinnati. What's up? What's up?
Go Bengals. Go
That's
Bengals.
right. That's right. That's right.
not a traditional magic box,
All the stuff, everything you just saw me do is on the video tutorial.
So I've been looking around for Josh, looking at for magic tricks and stuff like that. But guess where we find them at?
Where?
Looking at books.
Books.
They still have some really good books here, you know.
Right, because it is a book area.
It's a book area.
So what kind of books you like?
Magic books, man. Magic books.
We are the magic place. We have magic books.
Put your in hair.
Right.
How to grow the hair back.
Right.
Have you seen a book on how to grow the hair back? I don't know that magic.
Well, maybe put my bag down there. As we make our way through the forest, we're coming through here. Barely get our way around here. So we're going to the next part of the vendor area. Oh, look. We have Matt here. Matt, what are you doing?
Send
Matt.
Jason a check. Send Jason a text.
Say hi.
We got Sir Patrick again.
Sir Patrick is here. What's his wave that he does that he did last year? All right, we're back in the other part of it now.
All right.
Here we go. These are cool out here. Let's just take these out right here.
All right.
It's rose that changes colors.
It looks like it's smoking.
It changes colors also. We can barely get through this crowd, so I'm going to try my way through here.
Yeah.
Don't look over there. Just busy over here. No, over here.
Yeah.
I can barely get through this crowd right here.
It's still so bad.
It's still so bad. I got running traffic and everything. Look pretty good.
How y'all doing?
How you doing?
Look, everything you see here in my booth is all made by me and my kids. Well, charge. Move across around. Now this is a on.
Right.
And if I leave it on, it eventually burn up. So you don't want to do that, but so you get a different effect out of it each time. Gotta get a picture.